Sisters, brothers, siblings in the Episcopal Church in Northern Indiana, grace and peace be with you in Jesus, the Word made flesh. Greetings, my friends. I'm here with Dean Bryan at the 117 North Lafayette Boulevard building, which has been the Cathedral and Diocesan offices for over 60 years. As you can see, there's a lot going on in terms of renovation. It's been a wonderful experience to see all of the things that we've been hoping for years to finally come to pass. And there'll be further updates as we look at the progress of renovation. Dean Bryan, how are you feeling about this?
This is fantastic. I arrived here 11 years ago, and this was one of the big projects that we had in our future. And it took us quite a while to get to the point where we were able to have the contractors come in and get to work, but here we are. And this is a manifestation, an epiphany, if you will, I think of a vision for the cathedral that has been long coming in our history. So we first talked about renovation of this building in 1954. So 64 years later, here we are, and this is a very exciting time for us and for the diocese. And it's really built on a vision not only of upgrading our space, but a vision for the diocese as well in making space that is usable and accessible to all people who wish to come here. It's a vision for education, it's a vision for the arts, it's a vision for gathering the people of the diocese.
And I'm clear in saying that this is really phase one of some next steps that we want to take.
Exactly.
We're looking forward to raising some additional funds to make all three levels accessible. We're also looking at the possibility of renovating the cathedral worship space. We're also looking at dealing with the gifts that we have in terms of almost a half a city block that we have some hopeful plans for. So do keep us in your prayer. There'll be future opportunities for you to give and to be part of this important development here in South Bend for the Episcopal Church in Northern Indiana and for the Cathedral of St. James. Grace and peace be with you.